Hello everybody, I'm Sean Emerson, and today we're going to be making a beef and wine stew in the oven with plenty of vegetables. The vegetables we're using are chopped potato, carrot, onion, celery, red pepper, which have been spiced with salt, pepper, paprika, a pinch of crushed allspice, and doused with canola. Okay, now to start, you heat up some oil in the pan and throw in a small handful of your base vegetables. These are going to be frying in there to kind of set up a base flavor before you put in your beef. Now that the vegetables have sweat, we add our beef. It's coated in a little bit of flour, some paprika, salt, and pepper. That gets fried until it's browned. I'm sure you know how to fry some beef by now. Once those are set aside, you get a chance to deglaze the pan with some wine. I picked a drier variety. I doubled the volume with some stock and added in some chopped shallots and garlic for flavor. The rest of the beef and everything have been put in my Dutch oven. The wine and stock mixture is then poured into our vegetables, and the oven has been preheated to 350 degrees for when I put this in there. After 15 minutes, I turn it down to 300, cover, and set a timer for 2 hours. Once it's been 2 hours, take everything out and give it a good stir to make sure that everything that's stuck at the bottom has been scraped away. Then we add a slurry made out of cornstarch or flour. I use Robin Hood gluten-free flour for mine, and it turns out well. Mix your slurry in well, and you might have to put it in the oven for another 10 minutes or so just to make sure that it thickens up, but you're basically done. And there we go. We've made a beef stew with red wine and vegetables. And it was easy.